Hey guys, I'm Kolie and I'm going to do another unboxing and a review for the Ankh Tarot deck. This is by Sal. I love his page on YouTube. I believe it's called, let me see, I think it's called, there it is. That's his website, and that's the name of his page on YouTube as well. But I'm just gonna dive in. But if you want to see more videos, just please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos. And let's see what this says. Let's see. Torn from its home in resembling the shape of a dome, when your life goes askew, this will protect you. Oh, that's sweet. So, as I was gonna mention, the box didn't come like this, or don't worry, it didn't come like that. The little scratches there. Never mind how I did it. Anyway, let's see. This is the, excuse my voice, I'm a little hoarse today. That's the back of the deck. And this is the front. So well, as you know, it is the front, but this is the sides. And also, they are thin cards. It has a smooth finish to it, like silk, I would say, but they are thin. But I love them. Let me just bring the camera down so you guys can see. Okay. There we go. This is the full. Why is it looking like that? Try to get it to function better. Okay. There we go. Sorry, guys. Okay. All right, let's get going. So that's the Fool. This is the Magician. Handsome Magician there. A lot of red. The High Priestess. The Empress. She's beautiful. Emperor. The Hierophant. So these cards are basically the traditional ones, like any other traditional Rider-Waite deck. It just have a little more spice to it, which I love that. The Chariot. The Strength card. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Excuse me. So I went on his site, and he has a lot of beautiful things. Different type of tarot cards, crystals, all kinds of stuff. The Hangman. I love his site. Death. And I love his cards. I don't know if you guys saw his other deck that I purchased a while back. This is Temperance. I will try to grab that so you guys can see the other deck of his. I'll just kind of show you, but it's basically, I love that tower. That's a gorgeous tower. The star. It has the same exact box as this one does. It just has different, the name of the deck that's different. The sun. That's a gorgeous sun too. The moon. It looks sad. Is there, I don't know if there's, looks like two dogs there. Judgment. That is really gorgeous. The world. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Looks like he's hiding the second one. Maybe kind of look like to me that he's holding on to that one. He don't want to let it go, but he's hiding it. The Three of Wands. The Four of Wands. See, they're pretty traditional, but I like him. I really like him. The Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. The Page of Wands. I love the colors in this card. Looks like sand or mountains back there. Or it's mountains of sand. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Cups. And for the cups, Two of Cups. Three of Cups. That's a little pumpkin. It looks like little pumpkins with their maybe flowers. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. That's interesting. Is that a monkey? I kind of think that's a monkey. Eight of Cups. I like that burning moon. Oh, it looks like a face in there actually. Or it looks like the sun is trying to come out. I like that. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. See, I like tarot cards when the knight is going one way, either left or right. And so is the Queen of Wands. So she's like they looking at each other. He's coming in with his cup, and she's handing her cup to him. And I like when it's, you know, when they're like that. Gives you more interpretation. King of Cups. Now for the Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Looks like a boat back there on bumpy water. Three of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. No, 6. I'm sorry. Where I get 10 from? 6 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. And he looks like he's just tired and wore out. He tired of waiting. 8 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. Now to the 10 of Pentacles. I like that 10 of Pentacles too. Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. See, this knight is looking that way too. Which most of them do on the knights. Knight of Pentacles, slowest one. The Queen of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. And she has a rabbit in hers. And these two, like, he's looking that way, mad. Not sure why he's mad. And she looking down and lonely and wants to share her pentacle. But she has a look on her side with the rabbit. Now to the Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. 3 of Swords. 4 of Swords. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. 7 of Swords. 8 of Swords. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. Page of Swords. The Knight of Swords. Like some nights they be rushing to the left, and this one's rushing to the right. Queen of Swords. Let's see. And the King of Swords. Okay, so she's looking that way, but he's face forward on this one. That'd have been neat if he was facing her way. But he's emotionally unavailable. Okay, so I'm going to show you how they shuffle. And then I will pull a collector's card. So they shuffle pretty good. Like like I say, they are thin. This was the other deck that I was speaking of, the Sorcerer's deck, Sorcerer's Tarot. And it's in my playlist. If you guys want to watch the video, the flip through of that as well. So I'm just showing you guys what this one kind of looks like. There. So that's this deck. If you want to check it out, just go through my playlist. And so, well, I was gonna pull a collective card, but there's no book, so it doesn't come with a book. But I can pull one for you guys anyway. That's the only thing about the deck, it doesn't come with a book, but you know, it's traditional, so. The Page of Pentacles. Okay, someone's coming in to bring a new offer, or maybe someone's starting school, learning, want to start all over with something. A student, maybe. You could be planning something. Just basically learning something new. So that's what I get out of the Page of Pentacles. And maybe you guys have your own interpretation. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.